Welcome back. Today's explainer is diving into something that literally affects every single one of us. If you feel like you are constantly getting squeezed at the checkout, whether online or at the grocery store, you are in exactly the right place. We're living in a time where everyday costs just seem to be creeping up and up. Whether you're buying weekly groceries, replacing an old laptop, or just trying to enjoy a nice dinner out, it all adds up fast. But what if you never had to pay the sticker price again? Today, we are unpacking a highly effective, rapid-fire toolkit derived straight from our source material that is going to fundamentally change how you shop in the United States. We're counting down 10 incredible platforms that can help you find coupons, outsmart the algorithms, and keep your hard-earned money exactly where it belongs, right there in your wallet. Our central message today is unapologetic. Stop paying full price. Seriously, the source material challenges us to completely break the habit of just accepting the very first number we see at checkout. Look, it is incredibly easy to fall into a routine where we just trust that the retailer is giving us a fair deal. But the truth? The retail landscape is a high-stakes game. By the end of this countdown, you're going to have a comprehensive strategy to ensure you never blindly accept retail markup again. We are building a brand new reflex so that finding a discount becomes completely second nature to you.
All right, let's kick off our countdown at number 10.
Retail Knot. This is your final safety net for online promo codes. You know the drill, right? You've spent 45 minutes picking out the perfect stuff, your digital cart is full, and your mouse is hovering right over that buy button. You're experiencing total checkout fatigue and you just want it to be over. Well, stop. According to the source, checking Retail Knot right at that crucial final moment intercepts that impulsive final click. Imagine you're doing a huge seasonal clothing haul. Taking an extra 30 seconds to run a quick search on this platform could effortlessly shave 15 to 20% off your total. It's a tiny, simple habit to build, but absolutely essential for online shopping.
Moving right along to number 9.
Number 9 brings us to coupons.com. This platform is highlighted specifically as being the undisputed champion for grocery and everyday shopping discounts. Let's face it, grocery bills are a massive, unavoidable pain point for almost every budget right now. While our previous point was about saving at the digital checkout, this one grounds us in our day-to-day survival essentials. Instead of spending your Sunday morning clipping physical paper coupons like it's 1995, this site acts as your centralized digital planning hub. It's the foundational tool you want to consult before you even begin writing your weekly grocery list. By syncing your meal prep with the available digital coupons here, you are proactively slicing dollars off your food bill before you even step foot inside a supermarket.
Shifting gears a bit, here's number 8.
Number 8 is Groupon. This represents a brilliant pivot from physical items in a shopping cart to real-world experiences. We often get so laser-focused on finding a coupon code for a pair of shoes that we forget how insanely expensive going out has become. If you want discounts on date nights at restaurants, local activities like escape rooms or bowling, or even booking a quick weekend getaway, the source explicitly states that Groupon is your go-to. It's a powerful reminder that budget-conscious living doesn't mean you have to stop having fun, it just means you need to look for the local deals that make enjoying life significantly more affordable.
Dropping down to number 7, an absolute lifesaver for those big-ticket purchases. At number 7, we have Slick Deals. The cardinal rule here is simple. Never buy anything expensive without searching this platform first. The source material positions this as an absolutely mandatory step for major big-ticket items. Upgrading your home theater system, buying a new laptop for school, investing in a pricey kitchen appliance. Checking Slick Deals is the required homework you must do before handing over your credit card. What makes it so incredibly powerful is the community aspect. These aren't just random codes. They are curated, upvoted deals found by a community of hardcore bargain hunters. If there's a flash sale or a wild price mistake on a high-end TV, this community is going to find it. Skipping misstep on a major purchase is honestly just a costly mistake.
Now, let's group number 6, 4, and 3 together to compare two fascinating automated strategies, the cashback model versus auto coupons. Number 6 on our list is Rakuten, which operates on that classic cashback model. When you shop through Rakuten, they get a commission from the store, and they share a portion of that with you in the form of actual cash sent to you after the fact. Meanwhile, our numbers 4 and 3, Honey and Capital One Shopping, take a totally different approach. They hunt for the deals proactively at the point of sale. Instead of sending you a check later, they actively work to lower the immediate price of your cart before your credit card is even charged.
Here's how that auto savings process actually plays out in reality, and it honestly feels a bit like magic. Step 1, you literally just shop online normally. You don't have to change your routine or navigate through weird special portals. Step 2, you let a browser extension tool like Honey or Capital One Shopping automatically look for available coupon codes in the background. Step 3, the extension tests all the codes it finds in a matter of seconds, compares prices, and automatically applies the absolute best one to save you money. The true beauty of these tools, as outlined in the source, is this pure automation. They do all the mathematical heavy lifting for you right at checkout, completely friction-free.
Jumping back just a bit to catch the one we skipped, we land on number 5.
Number 5 is Ibotta, bringing our focus right back to the supermarket aisles. This is your essential tool for earning actual cash back on eligible grocery products.
What makes this so compelling is a concept called stacking. The source highlights that you can often use Ibotta in conjunction with other savings. Think about it like a puzzle. Imagine you buy an item that's already on sale at the store. You use a digital discount from coupons.com, and then you scan your receipt into Ibotta to get another dollar back. That stacking effect is a massive insider secret to extreme savings. It layers a cashback mechanism directly onto your standard grocery runs, turning a mundane chore into a highly rewarding financial win.
Since we already covered 3 and 4, that brings us straight to the runner-up spot, number 2.
Taking the number 2 spot is Flip. If you want to master localized grocery savings, the source explains that Flip aggregates weekly ads and deals specifically from nearby retailers based on your zip code. Think of it as a modernized, hyper-convenient digital version of those traditional Sunday paper circulars. Instead of checking 5 different grocery store websites to see who has the cheapest chicken or berries this week, Flip puts it all in one searchable interface. It perfectly localizes the data to where you live, ensuring you know exactly what is on sale in your neighborhood so you can plan your shopping route for maximum efficiency and savings.
Okay, take a breath. We've covered everything from automated browser extensions to post-purchase cashback to localized grocery trackers. We've built an incredible toolkit today. But what is the undisputed champion of savings? What is the absolute best, most effective way to save according to the data?
It's time to reveal the number 1 spot.
Here is the big secret: your favorite store's official app. Coming in at number 1, the source reveals that many stores reserve their absolute best, most exclusive coupons and rewards directly for users inside their own official apps. Why? Well, it's a value exchange. Retailers desperately want your brand loyalty and your shopping data. To get you into their digital ecosystem, they will reward you heavily. Think about a major fast food chain offering you a completely free meal item just for downloading their app for the first time, or a massive big box retail store offering an exclusive 20% off coupon that you literally cannot find anywhere else on the internet except in their app. Instead of always hunting through third-party sites, going directly to the source and downloading the app of the exact retailer you frequent the most yields the most powerful discounts available.
As we wrap things up, I want to leave you with this final commanding quote straight from our source material. Before you pay full price, check these sites first. It's not just a quick tip, it's a total behavioral shift. It's about training yourself to take a pause. Whenever you are about to hand over your money, stop, consult the incredible tools we've discussed today, and actively choose to keep more of your own wealth. The tools are free, they're super easy to use, and they're sitting right there waiting for you. So here is your quick action plan for your next shopping trip. First, actually go check out these 10 platforms and see which ones fit your lifestyle best. Second, as the source suggests, save this explainer so you can easily reference it when you're building your shopping list or about to make a big purchase. And finally, be sure to follow along for more USA money-saving tips in the future. But before you go, I want to leave you with this thought. With all of these free, automated tools available right at your fingertips, if you aren't using at least one of them every time you shop, who is really benefiting from your hard-earned money? See you next time.